Our ambition was to create a motor oil to rely on. A lubricant meeting the highest standards, protecting values and the environment. Realizing such product requires highest demands in research, development, and production. Get to know a new high-class lubricant refined in Germany. German Gold. We offer the right type of oil for every application: engine, gear, hydraulic, and industrial oil. Our refineries are certified according to the ISO 14001 Environmental Management System. Due to our high standards, your engines, machines, and production plants benefit, as well as our planet. Tested under German DIN standards, German Gold meets the latest requirements of major automotive manufacturers, such as BMW, Volkswagen, and Mercedes-Benz. Our high-quality lubricants are filled up in one of the most modern blending and filling machineries, 16 working hours daily and 30 bottles per minute, resulting in over 28,000 bottles a day. Through our generous inventory, intelligent storage technologies, and many years of experience, we offer short processing times and fair prices, depending on the demand of markets worldwide. Benefit from our passion for lubricant engineering. Why choose less when you can have gold? German Gold. Power to perform.